Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm changing this presser foot to the zipper foot. Now to drop the presser foot, I'll just take my finger here and pull it towards me. It drops down. And to fix the zipper foot, I'm going to place it just on this spot and turn this down here. When you press this down and it doesn't clamp on this, you can raise it back up and adjust it. Adjust it and now drop it down again. Now it's clamped. Now you raise it back up so you can begin sewing. To change from the right side to the left side, all you have to do is pull this again towards you and it drops down. Now move it and drop this. Now let's change the zipper foot back to our presser foot. I'll have to pull this and get the presser foot, adjust it and drop this, and now I can sew. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Thank you.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be